Hey, hi all. This is me, Dr. UD Lingeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Humanities, Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Last month, we have attended a boot camp. During that period, we have developed a new prototype named a smart alarm clock by using the facilities in AICTE IDEA Lab. During that period, we have developed this new alarm clock by accessing the highly equipped instruments which is present in the AICTE IDEA Lab, and they have guided us very well so that we can finalize and submit that project. We are really thankful for that expert guidance, and I'm really thankful for creating such good experience to develop a new prototype. Thank you, AICTE IDEA Lab. Thank you.
Hey, hi, this is Bhavatarni, Biotech Department from Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. AICTE IDEA Lab has inspired me to explore, innovate, and make research and build practical solutions into a great impact. Thank you, AICTE IDEA Lab and Karpagam Academy of Higher Education for this valuable learning and innovative mind.